Alright, hey everybody, so today I'm going to be showing you my main Speedcubes, so let's do this. So for 2x2, I use my black ghost hand. It's really good. Cuts corners real good. It's a really good Speedcube. So I use my ghost hand. For 3x3, I use 4. Whoops, my timer dropped. I use my A2. Then my A5. And then my A1. And then my type B. But the reason why the A2 is up on the stand is because that's the one that I use the most. But if really, these two are like pretty much tied. So I just like the A2 better because I like the feel of it. And if you would like me to review any of these cubes, just tell me in the comments. This is my 4x4 is my QJ. So it's really nice. For 5x5, I use my ghost hand. You're probably wondering, oh, why aren't you using your V-Cube? Because Ghost Hand is a V-Cube knockoff. It's not really a knockoff. They basically made the V-Cube, but they, you know, like how the V-Cube does bump, they just removed all the imperfections. So, I'm sorry if you're screaming stuff. My little sister, she's a douchebag. 6x6, I use my modded V-Cube. It's really good. I'm not good at finger tricks with the V-Cubes. 7x7, I use my white V-Cube because I traded my black V-Cube. Mega Minx, I use my NF82 black CMFH. For Pyraminx, I just use this Chinese brand one. It's pretty good. I want to get an effort soon though. So, not soon, but whenever I get money. For Magic, I use my ghost hand. It's like very smooth. Do a quick saw for you guys. You like my shirt? Alright. 1.84. That's with it being on the ground, and if it's me holding it like this. Oh crap, messed up. But like when it's me holding it, I get like better times. See, 1.23. Not really that much of a difference, but it's better than it was. So, yeah. So yeah, I want to do a H-Prim real quick on my A5 to see how good I am. Dang. That was crappy. One more. That was awesome. Alright, see you guys later. So before you guys leave, be sure to check out my vlog youtube.com/vlogcuber. It's really fun, really cool, doesn't cost anything. So yeah, go check out my vlog. Thanks for watching my video. See you guys later. Bye.